making pasta. Today we have pasta, tomato paste, spices, eggs, pepper, spring onions. We add 3 cups of pasta. Add water. Salt to taste.
And butter. We are going to start by adding our chopped onions. Add your tomatoes. Cover for a little while. Add your tomato paste. This is 2 tablespoonfuls of tomato paste. Add your half a teaspoon of pepper. That's to taste. Add some all-purpose seasoning. If you like garlic powder, you can add some garlic powder and onion powder to it. Pasta is ready. We're going to strain the water off and let it cool. Going to add the eggs. Just beat all the eggs together. And we used 5 eggs. We need to let it cook for a little while on a medium heat. It's time to add our veggies. We only use half of the bell peppers and the green peppers and the red pepper. Now it's time to add our pasta. We are going to add it little by little so that each pasta is coated with the sauce. Make sure you toss everything into the sauce. Let's add some parsley for decoration. Now it's time to add mozzarella cheese. Just going to sprinkle a little bit on it and just let it melt. Here is the end of our pasta. It smells so delicious in the house. And you got to try this because it is so delicious. Try it, let me know in the comment section how it goes. Let me serve my little chef his dinner. You can see the veggies are hidden. It's packed with nutrients, and on top of it all, it tastes really, really, really yummy. Thank you so much for watching. We'll come up with another video. Bye bye.